How to fix camera crashing in Oppo Reno 14F. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down, click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera. Now here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After that, open storage usage and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.